Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. I'm gonna cook fish with green leafy vegetable. This is kangkong in Tagalog. I don't know in English. With soup. See, I'll just boil the water. This is my ginger, onion, and tomato. This is my fish. I forgot what we call this fish in English. This is my kangkong. We call it kangkong. In English, I don't know. In English, I think it's only green leafy vegetables. While boiling water, I put the ginger, onion, and the tomato. I'm cleaning my kangkong. I'm gonna remove the hard stem in the yellow leaves, the old leaves. This is more healthy. The fish is rich in iodine, good for thyroid gland. And this vegetable is high in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, good for the digestive system, and for the immune system too. This is healthy green leafy vegetable in English. See, my is already boiling now. My water, I need to put the ginger in there. Here's my ginger, the tomato, and then put the fish, kangkong. This is more healthy because no oil. Just boiling water. Season it with salt and black pepper. While boiling the I need to clean my vegetables. Anyway guys, happy Wednesday. Today is a real holiday in UAE. When I went to the mall still closed because it's holiday. They open late. And there's so many people there. They went to shopping because so many sale today. Me also, I buy something for the kids next month. I buy now because there's so many sale. It's cheaper now than when you go shopping. Hey guys, this is cooking time. I need to cook a healthy food today. How many days we eat all meat? I miss to have warm soup. This is soup. I just boiled the water and I already put the onion and the ginger and the tomato in the pot, and then later I'm gonna put the fish. And then when I done cleaning this vegetable, I need to put this palo in the pot and then season it. Just season with salt and black pepper. The kangkong now is not fresh. It's almost dry up. Maybe this vegetable last 2 days ago or 3 days ago. You don't have a new one. See, the water is already boiling. Anyway guys, the month of May is almost done. The June is coming. And half of the year is almost You know, I pray to God that about my work. How many days from now my contract will end. And, you know, I try to find but the salary offer is very cheap, very low salary. It's not good. No. Anyway guys, my cellphone is already low. I need to charge. I think I need to put this down already. Anyway, I can put na the fish in the pot. See, and then later after I clean the vegetable and sesame with black pepper and salt. You know, this is a nice fish. That's big fish. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like,